The Attorney General, Alan Ramlogan, finds no evidence to substantiate allegations that lawyers in the Chief State Solicitor's Department or the Solicitor General's Department were in collusion with prisoners or their attorneys to procure a favorable settlement. The Attorney General says he has in fact investigated concerns raised by former Solicitor General Eleanor Donaldson Halliwell concerning prison brutality cases. Karen Cozier-Phillip has more.
In a media release, the Attorney General notes that the settlement of prison cases predated his appointment and says it is mischievous for anyone to raise unspecified concerns that have no basis in fact. Mr. Ramlogan says he cannot and will not allow a cloud of suspicion to be cast over the heads of his attorneys without a shred of evidence, but reassures that should he find any evidence that is of concern, he will immediately refer the attorney, internal or external, for disciplinary action to the JLSC and the Law Association. Statistics provided by the court reveal that of a total of 427 cases of assault and battery filed in the High Court during the period 16th of September 2005 to 31st of May 2012, 302 matters were alleging assault and/or battery by persons employed by the state. Mr. Ramlogan says this means statistics show that 71% of the cases alleging assault and/or battery filed in the High Court are cases alleging abuse by way of physical assault by servants of the state. He says of the 302 matters filed to date, 157 have been determined, and of these, 120 have resulted in damages being paid to the claimant. The Attorney General says it is reasonable to conclude that of the 157 matters completed, 37 matters were found to be without merit. Of those 120 actions, damages have only been assessed in 100 so far. With respect to awards minus interest, the state has paid or is liable to pay some $10,265,776.14 in compensation to litigants with respect to these actions. These figures do not include those persons who would be entitled to damages pursuant to this judgment, says the Attorney General. Karen Cozier-Phillip, CNews.